Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. In previous session, we have seen type 1 of UDF, that is no argument, no return value. Now in this session, we are going to learn with argument, no return value. Suppose name of our UDF is well. Here we wish to give some argument. For that we have to write just data type into the declaration. This UDF will not return anything, so we have to write void over here. Now to give one integer value to the well function, we are taking that input from the user. For that, one integer a is declared. Printf /n enter value scanf %d address of a. This a we will pass to the well function. Now into the well function, void well integer, throw of a, or we can say value of a from the main to the well function is there. So well function has to catch that value of a using some another variable. Suppose here we are declaring integer x. So value of a will be copied into x. Printf /n suppose x equals to %d and x. Here value of a is of value of x. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. 10. This is a value of a, and here x equals to 10. The output is from UDF. That value of a is passed to the integer x. So this is the second type of UDF, that is with argument, no return value. Thank you.